Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. I have an idea for it, although I am not sure that will it work or not, but trying is the best thing we can do. So A, B, and here I'll remove this. I'll remove everything after this. So star background, and the background will obviously be this color. It's pasted. Now I'll use A, then position fixed. Now I'll give it a width of around 150, height of 100. I know the sizes are not correct, but still I just have to take some rough sizes for now. I'll use it to make the upper one. So now let's give the margin 100, so maybe 50, 52, yeah, and even here 50, 52. So I can remove this. Now I will increase the size to maybe 250. It's even larger, so 280. Yeah, 280 is correct, and the height is going to be 150, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Now I'll use border radius to make it a little bit curved. So the border radius will be 25 pixels, 35, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 20 looks perfect. Now I'll use clip path. So clip path, polygon, and I'll give 0, 0. Next value will be 100% and 0. Now I think that will be 100% and 50. Yeah. Now we take it a little bit back, so it will be something like 80% and 50%, 90, 85. Yeah, 85 looks pretty better. Now I will give it 75% and 25%. No, it isn't. Both assumptions are wrong. So 70. It's pretty near now. 20. Maybe 65. No. 66, 67, 68. And here also 18. Now I'll straight away take it to the other side, so it will be 0 and 50%. Now I'll use simple maths, so it will be 85 minus 100 minus 85 will give us 15%, and 50%. Wait, no, I give it at the wrong place. 15% and 50%. Now we need to give one more coordinate. So that coordinate will most probably be 32%, and the other one will be around 100 minus 18 will give us 82%. Now I'll use B and I will give it rotate 180 degree, and the background is going to be this color. Paste. It's almost perfect. Okay, so we need to change the value here, so it will be maybe 83, 84. And the other value will be, it's right here, so it will be maybe 16. What about now? Little more, not much, just a little. So after 84 we may go 85 and it will go 15, 16 and 14, 84 for now. Let's submit it and let's see if it shows any difference, because maybe this is perfect as per the algorithm. It isn't. We are pretty close to it but not there yet. So maybe it's this 31, 32, 31.5. No, it will be 32 only. So maybe we need to take it a little bit up or down this side. So maybe 49. And there 51. No. So the next option is we do this 15 and 85, although I don't think this will help at all. It will just make the things worse. Remain the same. Now let's decrease it this time. So it will be 83 and wait, not this way, my bad. I had to do 83 this side and 17 here. Yeah, let's try now. Why is it taking so long? It's still the same score. Okay, so maybe it is 84, 85, 86, 85.5. Okay, so 14.5. What about now? Yeah, now it is 100% one. That was the problem. Now let's see the final score and then we end the video. I forgot to remove that bracket. 643. Let me check again, because we decreased one more character. Okay, 643.41. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.